Okay, today is September 30, 2016. This is Interactive Brokers. Just wanted to show you that I finished my month paper trading. I would say very successful. Now check something in here. Remember, this is paper trading, so this is not real money. I started with $1 million, and now I have 911,000. The reason is because when I started and I didn't know what to do last month, I was just playing with big sizes, playing like the Team Gratani, putting huge sizes and shorting whatever it pops. So I lost 90,000. Well, today I got right here on the bottom right $107 to finish the month. And well, I'm not a good trader. I feel like it, but I'm not. I'm very sure I'm not, because every day in the morning I come to the market, I start here checking my scanners, and I cannot find anything. Maybe the plays are right there in front of me, but I don't know how to trade them. So a lot of these days I just got lucky. Let me show you my spreadsheet. So here is so I started with $7,000 on margin, which is $1,200 from this day, because here you see I lost almost everything. So I restarted it this day. I'm sorry for my English, I'm trying to get better. So on Friday I have this big win using the cap and go strategy from Warrior Trading, which is a risky strategy, very risky. You can just lose all your money if you don't know how to trade it, and I still don't know how to. I don't like to use that strategy. But with paper trading, you don't lose anything. You can practice it until you get better. It's important to be fast on this strategy and have the right entry. In this case, I nailed this. I don't remember what it was, daily breakout, and I got this whole win, and I have proofs on my Instagram, Reno stocks. And well, so I started, I was happy. Next day I was happy also. I said, wow, I'm winning. Look, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm winning. So
okay, so let's see.
You can hear that.
It's probably a good time for a little midday market recap.
Water trading, this is the chat room right here. That's Ross. He's about to do a daily recap, so I'm gonna pause it. You can check their YouTube channel, watertrading.com. Okay, so let me pause this.
So 2 red weeks in the middle of the month.
Amazing.
I had started the month pretty strong with actually $12,000 of profit just in the first 2 days, and then in the second week of the month another 4,800. But the third and let's see, this month we had 2 days, and so we actually had 5 weeks of trading, even though the first week was only a 2-day week. But green the first 2 weeks, and then as it dipped back down, I put my shares up on the ask.
Order cancelled.
I will check this daily recap on YouTube if he uploads it. So this video is gonna get long because it's hard for me to speak fast. So let me just go ahead. This day right here, I said no. I don't know how to trade. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just getting lucky, and it was true. So I got very depressed. On this first 2 weeks, I really treated my money like a real money, my fake money like a real money. I'm gonna be honest, this last week I'm kind of forgetting that I have to do that every day. So this day I remember I felt very like depressive, let's say. I don't know how's the right word. I was at my job at night shift, and I was like, man, I was up, man, a lot. I mean, I have a big win on Friday, a win on Monday. What happened, man? So, well, this is not the case. The next day, I lied to myself in this day, and I didn't change it. I left it there just to give me a little bit more of motivation, because this is fake money. So to be honest, this single day, all these days are right, but this day I think it was a 320 loss, and I didn't add the last trade that I did. I said, man, you just chase it here, you didn't have a plan. So you don't need to put this trade on the list, because it wasn't a trade. Just went through, you jumping something, I don't remember what it was, and you lose more than $100. So I didn't add it. I still feel bad. I guess if I should add it, I wouldn't have the same motivation that I had the first week. So the next day I went like, I don't know what to do. And let me see what I did this day. Oh, this was the first day I traded this ETF UBXY. So I was lucky in that one, and now I remember RH was the one gave me more profits. So I said, okay, I just need to make $200 to get even. The thing is, my weekly goal at this moment was $150 per week, so I had to make 300 or more than 300 the next week to be able to get green again, and my goal was $600. So it was hard. How am I gonna do it? So next week on Monday I traded the UBXY again, and I was winning because I think this day was trending up. I'm gonna be totally honest, this day I had no idea what was a ETF. I didn't know. I just thought it was a stock trending up. I went to search and I look up all websites, and I ask questions on StockTwist. What is an ETF? So I find out, but I cannot explain it, but I know what it is. So next day I traded again, I think. Let me see. Yep, you see, I writing up using a stops 450. I remember this day I didn't even want to put the trade on the list, because nobody was going to believe me, and it was incredible. It was a big win. I didn't expect that win. So I cleared right there my loss from the last week, and next day I think I tried to trade it again. Sorry. You see, I trade this again because I thought, oh my god, this is the most easier stock I ever played, and I got this win, $120. And then I went the next day. I don't remember what happened here. Actually, I have all the comments here, and here on this fourth day I realized that I was getting more money playing $20 stocks than penny stocks. Penny stocks, they are a disaster if you don't know how to trade them. I know there is some people saying that they get millionaire, and they did get millionaire and playing penny stock, but they really know what I'm doing. And like, when you're a beginner and you're seeing these 150% returns, you think you're gonna get that every day, and it's not true. So you start losing your money, like I did before my first month paper trading. Losing your money buying penny stock, thinking you're gonna get a big returns. You probably will, but what's telling you, or how are you sure that you're gonna get that that return. I mean, whatever. So I find out that I was getting more money playing these stocks because they were more predictable. The returns were very small, but I remember my goal was very small, so that was good for me. I don't know why it's good for you. So Monday, Tuesday, win. This Wednesday, nothing to trade. Let me check. 21. I scalped this one. This is a penny stock. I scalped this one. And let me see what it says. Win. So I got a win in here. Oh, so I guess this day was going to be better, and I lose money trading a penny stock. It says right here. I don't remember. Oh, maybe one of these two. I don't know, man. I don't remember. So 22 win. This day lost, but I was getting, I mean, my feeling at that moment was $130. Okay, I messed it up. I didn't do well, so I'm gonna learn from there. But I wasn't like this day right here, when I felt like, oh my god, I'm done. That same feeling when you lose all your money when you're trying to trade. So I say, okay, let me try next Monday. The week was very slow, you can see here. Next Monday, nothing to trade. I didn't trade all morning. I missed ARRY for a trend. It was trending up and I missed it. So on Tuesday here, this is pretty fish, 27. So write a parabolic, I call it like that. I don't even know if I'm right, but I say I write a parabolic, which you know what happened that day. Everybody was getting excited and everybody was buying, and I tried it twice. For one, first time I think was $90 win, and then 400 win. I watched Ren for this first red day, which I saw on one DVD that some overextended charts, they used to have a couple red days, small red days, and then a big red day, and sometimes those emotions make traders to sell their stock, and it can trend down very fast. So I started to show it very carefully because I know Ren can run very fast. You have to know the stock you're trading also. So I was shorting it. I can say that I was going short, and I got successful in that one. And I have some screenshots also on my Instagram. And then Wednesday, I haven't write anything for these 2 days yet. So Wednesday, I had I think $90 profit, and well, I finished my day right there. And then I find another stock, and I said I'm gonna trade that one, and I started trading it with huge size, more than my buying power, because I do that every day. I finish trading on my list and I start trading with big sizes, just to know how to trade with big sizes and how to know when am I gonna get filled. So whatever, I started using like 5,000 shares and stuff, and then I said, oh, this is a good short. I like this short. I like how I trade it. So now I'm going to average or reduce my trades like I trade with the small sizes, and then I end up with $700 profits, which it was good. Even if I remove this and I move this to 90, I'm gonna have pretty good wins on the month. So this day I think I traded the UVYX again. It was trending up very nicely, like it happened this day. So I traded again. I got this $72 win. I have more buying power. I have to start getting more bigger profits, I guess. Not that big, but I don't want to keep getting $25 or $30 profits on the day. So today I I started trading the MBFY for scalps right here, $10, $10. And this IPO, I never trade an IPO because I don't know how to. Nobody knows how to, I guess. This was the first day. There's no more data in here. This is the daily chart. There's nothing because it started to trade today, and I bought it on 27, and I sold it right here. You see, it keeps trending up. It's pretty scary. You don't know where it's going. It can go up. You can just sell, and I will end up with less money, and I don't want to trade anymore up because I didn't have a plan. Actually, I just jumped in, and I sold it. I sold it as soon as I had the profit I needed. So good. I'm not gonna trade it. Just leave it there. You gotta know that paper trading is good because you're always gonna have place in the market. You have to forget about oh my god, this stock just ran up and I didn't trade it. Oh my god, and I don't want to miss it the next day. I don't want to mix. I don't want to miss the next stock that's gonna run up next day, and then you jumping on whatever stock that you want, and you end up losing your money. So it's good to paper trade. There is always gonna be stocks running, trending up, or panic down, and you have to practice first. You see these days, RGSE. I could go in my short trading account and said, oh my god, this thing is running, I want to jump on with my real money and get some profits. I probably would have get some profits, maybe $20, $40, but I didn't do it because I know when I finish paper trading there's gonna be more plays out there and I'm gonna be able to play them right. I already lose a lot of money. I'm not a rich person. Probably you are saying right now, oh my god, this $2,000 profit on the month, that's nothing. I made $5,000 on my job. Well, for me actually, on my night shift job that I have, I only make, without overtime, I only make like $1,600 per month. So this right there is a lot for me, and that's what I really want to success on trading. So that's my I guess my monthly recap. Is possible, and the important things that you need to know about trading with a small account is that it's almost impossible. Trading with $1,000 is just crazy. I know you saw a picture on the internet saying, oh, this guy just win $3,000 on his $2,000 account in a day. It is possible, but it is a small possibility that it's going to happen to you, or that it was going to happen to me when I was losing my money using Robinhood app. That is probably what you are doing. So it's a very, very small possibility. You should just go to use another strategy and learn from others and see what is right for you. Penny stocks enough for me. I don't know. I think I know how to trade them sometimes, but I don't know. So, what else? So you need to have your broker. Your broker needs to be a broker that has hotkeys. Interactive brokers, their hotkeys are not that good, but I like this chart trader. That's what they call it. Maybe I make a video about it. That you just go here, buy. You go right there, you transmit your order, and then if you want to sell, you just put, sometimes I don't even look at the price when I'm scalping. I don't even look at the price. I just put my order there and then wait for the candle to go up right there and take the order, trigger the order, and I get my profit that fast. That's what I did in here. I just went in, I remember where 27.20. I put my order like that, and then I put another order up there, and it just You just got the order right on this candle right here. So for my stop losses, unfortunately, there's you can add buttons, but I don't use it that much because it confused me. Let me see. Here you see I have buy stop and sell stop. So I can add these buttons in here, and I can put my buy stop, and he puts it whatever they want, the program wants, and then you just move whatever you want, or you just change the pricing here. And that's how you can put your stop loss fast, so you don't get washed out from your long. What I do if I don't want to use this panel, I just go in order entry. I don't use my order entry at all when I'm gonna buy or short. I just use the chart trade, this thing. The order entry, I use it only when I'm going to put a stop. I go sell, I see my position here, I change it, I put a stop, and quickly I do this. 26 for example. You see 26 is down here. Oh wait, I'm putting a buy. Oh, what's that? Whatever. So 26, and I go submit. Alright, and I have my stop right there, right? Oh, I hate what this happened. I hate when this thing doesn't go. I don't know how to take it off. So what I do when that happens, I go to my watch list and I come back to the stock I was playing. What happened? And it's right there. So after I do that, I start moving it like that. Let's say I have a position. Oh, watch out right here. My order is triggered. So if this candle touch this line, I'm gonna get the order filled. So be careful. So you go like that, you go moving it, the stock moves and you keep moving it, the stock goes up and you keep moving your stop, and like that. That's one thing I did with UVXY. You can also do it. So that's how you need to have. Oops, you need to have. Oh my God! Look at this money right there. So you need to have fast broker. This broker, look at the commissions right here. Look at this $1, 24 cents. This could be a $5 commissions on your trader. 60 cents, 20. So if you have your $20,000 cash, you can put it on your interactive brokers account. You can start to paper trade it right there for free. You have a paper trading account and your live trading account. So I wish I would have $25,000. I don't have that at all. I'm broke. So if I would have the 25,000, I would put it on interactive brokers. I would paper trade there, and then when I'm ready, I go doing small profits at the time. Look at this, man. I should be trading this. If I would trade this, I will get in maybe in here, because this candle were going fast, and my stop would be on this line right here, 31.50. Look at that. Oh my God. Now if I try to get in here, we'll have a bigger gap down and a small way up in here, because I don't know where it's going. Nobody knows where it's going, because it's an IPO, and you don't know if it's gonna go to 34, but you know that it can go down to 31, or even here on this 50 moving average, it can go to 31 right now, and you can lose your money. That's why it's not good to chase like that. Well, I'm sorry, this is a 25 minutes video. I'm sorry that I don't speak that well, but I hope you learn. I'm gonna try to ask your question if I can. I'm not really that smart trader. I still have a lot to learn. So thank you very much. That's my monthly recap for paper trading on September. Thank you. Bye.